Can I make a questionably tall grilled cheese? Yes. But it's grocery day, so this is all I've got. Brown bread, cream cheese spread, plastic cheddar flavor cheese, some old Fort cheese, and I'm also going to add some ham. You know what? Some bologna also. And potatoes, some pickles. We'll start with 4 pieces of bread. I've enlisted the help of a small child. You know what? Everyone's always asking, so I'm going to use mayo instead of margarine or butter. Mayo those all up, get them all in a pan. And we'll do 1 piece with cream cheese, 1 with the old cheddar, and then 2 with the plastic cheese. We'll put the pickles on the cream cheese, the ham on the cheddar, and the bologna on 1 of the plastic cheeses. Sing it with me, boy. I don't care if it rains or freezes, as long as I got my plastic cheeses riding in the sandwich of my sandwich. Some steam going to get that cheese melting. Make the bologna the base and add the pickles and cream cheese. Then the ham and cheddar. Top that with the lone cheese. A little bit more quick steam. And remove from heat. Make it a bit taller. We'll give it an olive periscope. Cut diagonally and reveal. More of a toastie than a grilled cheese proper, but it'll do. Right, boy? Sandwich dad and sandwich lad. Good day.